Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with CrowdStreet to view offerings step by step clearly. To begin, visit the CrowdStreet website at www.crowdstreet.com. At the top right corner of the homepage, click on the Login button. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the provided fields. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If you do not have an account yet, look for the Sign Up option on the login page. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. You will be prompted to fill out your personal information, including your name, email, and password. Once you have entered all required information, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click the Create Account button to proceed. After creating your account, check your email for a confirmation message from CrowdStreet. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the CrowdStreet website and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. From here, you can navigate to the Investments or Offerings section to view available options. Select the offerings that interest you for more detailed information. Ensure your account profile is complete to receive personalized investment opportunities. Remember to review all terms related to the investments before proceeding. Congratulations, you are now authenticated and can explore all offerings on CrowdStreet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.